Technology for teaching and learning elementary grades. What is the digital age? The digital age is also called the information age. It has been defined and interpreted in many ways. However, in one of IGI Global Publishing's definition, the digital age refers to the time period in which personal computers and other subsequent technologies were introduced to provide users the ability to easily and rapidly transfer information. Digital media is a mixture of technology and content, and creating digital media products that involve teams of professionals with a variety of expertise: technical, artistic, analytical, production, and coordination abilities. All these qualities are balanced and focus on providing the best user experience possible. Digital media prepares learners to grow up in an ever changing technological world where media is pervasive. It is critical in teaching young people to navigate the vast world of online information, to weigh claims and sources, to recognize fallacies and false or misleading arguments, to find reliable information, and to understand issues of plagiarism and copyright. It encourages young people to critically examine, evaluate, comprehend, and appreciate the multimedia culture. Brings the outside world into the classroom, giving traditional subjects interactivity and relevance. It is an ideal link for subject integration and interdisciplinary studies. Conveys and advances current teachings, which emphasize student centered learning, accommodating students' individual learning needs, and analyzing and managing information rather than simply storing it. Based on the educational approach, the earliest stage of learning in children is music, comic books, television, video games, the internet, and even advertisements, which are all part of a child's life. Media fosters a sense of belonging and thus serves as a catalyst for learning. Students become experts in the field of media education. Students take the lead since they know more about the media and digital tools being studied. The teachers guide them in the application of critical thinking to the content. Encourages young people to use multimedia tools creatively, which contributes to the understanding by doing and prepares them for a workforce that increasingly requires advanced and powerful forms of communication. Engages young people in real world issues. It encourages young people to see themselves as active citizens who can contribute to public debate. Helps in understanding how media portrayals impact how we view different groups in society. It helps to broaden awareness of diversity, identity, and difference. Helps children criticize media representation by teaching them to distinguish between reality and fantasy, media violence and real life violence, media heroes and real life heroes, media role models and real life roles, and expectations. Explores the connection between popular culture, music, fashion, television programming, movies, and advertising, and young people's attitude, lifestyle choices, and self image. Provide students with various opportunities to achieve and display what they have learned. It promotes teamwork and can provide possibilities for learners who are unable to express what they've learned in traditional forms. Media education is involved in mostly all curriculums. Students use language, research, planning, and communication skills extensively, whether they are creating media, analyzing it, or using digital tools. Digital technology tools for the classroom are apps, softwares, and platforms that enable learners in any setting to communicate, collaborate, engage, and create curriculum. A mind tool is a technological application that helps students stimulate, organize, manipulate, visualize, and reflect on objects, data, and information. These are knowledge building tools that allow the learner to practice critical thinking while studying the subject. Database mind tools are software that organizes for quick and easy retrieval of data and information. Examples of these are spreadsheets and Microsoft Access. Collaborative database is a special type of database that supports a shared knowledge building process and engages students in problem solving. Examples are Wikipedia and Google Cloud. Visualization Mind Tool allows the students to represent and picture how different phenomena operate within other domains. Examples are Google Charts, Grafana, and Fusion Charts. A concept map is a graphical tool for organizing and representing knowledge. Examples are Bubble.us, Wise Mapping, Kidspiration, and GitMind. Simulation Mind Tool provides a simplified version of the environment, phenomena, or processes to allow students to interact with or manipulate and observe the effects of those manipulations. Examples are Microworld and SimCity. Hypertext Mind Tools is a nonlinear or a non-sequential method of organizing and displaying text. Examples of these are web development softwares. A hypermedia mind tool is a hypertext with elements of media like images, videos, sounds, animations, etc. The best example of a hypermedia application is the World Wide Web. Digital storytelling mind tools enable students to reflect, narrate, represent, and communicate their views, information, and facts. Examples of these are Microsoft PowerPoint, Apple Keynote, iMovie, and GarageBand. The benefits of technology in education are increased collaboration and communication, personalized learning opportunities, curiosity driven by engaging content, and improve teacher productivity and efficiency. Distance learning, also called distance education, e-learning, and online learning. It is a form of education in which the main elements include physical separation of teachers and students during instruction, and the use of various technologies to facilitate student-teacher and student-student communication. Benefits of distance learning for students. No more forgotten homework. Reduced social anxiety. Flexible scheduling opportunities. Staying healthy and keeping others safe. Accessibility for everyone. And self-paced learning. Benefits of distance learning for parents and educators. No more commute. Works with a typical work schedule. Parents can get to know their child's classmates. Parents can see what their child is learning. And reduced overall cost of school. The available modalities for distance learning in the Philippines are online digital modules, offline digital modules, TV, radio, and printed modules, blended learning for TV, radio, digital, and printed modules, and homeschooling.